nahirapan po ako dun sa tatlong character. Siyempre, hindi siya mahirap gawin, pero ginawa namin yung direct, nag-start kami sa Pampanga, tapos after nung Pampanga, nag-Muslim, tapos nag-Chinese yung Teban. So far, dahil kay Direk Joel, yun nga, kung believe ka sa director mo, mas nagiging magaan sa amin bilang para yun, ganapin yung mga role namin. Lalo na ako, tatlo yung personality ko. Kaya yun, medyo mahirap pero dahil kay Direk Joel, naging magaan para sa amin lahat.
Oh, ikaw na. Nasa, wala yung mic. Cesar. Kay Inigo po. Inigo, you're staying kay Inigo po. You're staying in US na ba? For good.
May wala ka. Is that the question? What about something about the movie?
And then, paano mo yung consideration of accepting projects din? Yung process na ginagawa mo kung may mga proyekto ka rin sa Pilipinas.
Okay. So did you bring your US passport with you?
Filipino passport po actually. Para sa akin, kung Direk Joel yun, siyempre, uuwi ako para dun. And siyempre, I go back and forth. It's not like I'm staying in the States forever. I still like to be here in the Philippines. This is where my life is. This is where my family is. So sa akin, I'm glad that I get to do projects in the States and I get to do projects here. But I would still prioritize my work here.
And maybe if the price is right. Right? Of course. Oo nga, isa lang talaga yung mic. Direk, we were requesting for different mics. But I don't know why they... One last question. Okay. We have one? From the press people or from the crowd?
Kuya, Ana, ABS.
ABS-CBN, okay.
Hi, congratulations. I'm over here. Sorry. Kanina, congratulations sa inyo. Inigo, you mentioned earlier na you had a lot of firsts dito. Yung nabanggit mo ba is yung last scene mo. And yun nga, you had these nuances na wala kang lines. So, can you elaborate na how were you preparing for itong mga firsts mo nga?
It travels from the Philippines to the US, the microphone.
Dito sa proyektong to, actually, sobrang gipit kami sa oras. I mean, I had to go back to the States, so we had to really finish a lot of the scenes during the days that we were working. And meron kami mga eksena na meron kami masaya. Tapos next scene namin, namatay na yung tatay ko. So, alam mo yung parang, sabi ko, handa ba ako dito? Handa ba akong gawin to? Kasi lahat ng proyekto ko, all of my projects before, Love Team, Pa-Cute. So, I'm not used to that. I'm not used to doing heavy scenes. If you notice, almost, I think, 70% of the movie, I'm crying. And, si Direk Joel talaga yung nag-push sa akin na ibigay yung lahat ng instructions, ibigay lahat ng emosyon na kailangan kong ibigay at kung saan ako nanggaling, ano yung pinanggalingan ng karakter ko. And siguro yung first sa akin is just being able to do scenes that I never knew I could do.
Okay na. That's it na.
Anyone else? Okay, sir.
Thank you for the film, Direk Joel, and the cast. It was wonderful. Actually, the story of a son looking for his father is very powerful part of every culture. Ang nakita ko po is, hindi ko alam kung mali ako, basta as an audience, what I saw Alan's character was pieces of the Philippines trying to put itself together. Parang, yung iniisip ko, para bang yung tatlong character, yung ba yung Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, di ba? So, nung pinapanood ko siya, at nakikita ko yung anak niya, because as a Filipino-American myself who went here before I became a citizen, before I even wanted to become a citizen, I wanted to know my country. Parang ganun. So, that's what I saw, and that's what the story told me myself. So I appreciate the film. Thank you for all your work and the writing. And the writer's not here, right? I couldn't ask him the question, unfortunately. Yes, very well done, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Larson? Our friends from GMA?
Alan, you had 3 characters here. Saan ka talaga nahirapan?
Doon sa Teban.
That's a good question.
Doon sa part na si Teban, doon ako talaga nahihirapan. Hindi ako, parang hindi ako komportable. Pero kay Direk Joel, sabi niya, okay lang yan. May mga galaw akong, yung mga kamay ko, medyo magalaw. So, sabi ni Direk, isang kamay lang gagalaw mo. Tapos yung lambutan mo ng konti, landian mo ng konti. Pero 'di ba, parang di ba halata? Parang medyo nahirapan ako sa pagiging Teban. Pero natawid ko naman. And thank you to Direk Joel. Yeah.
Mukhang machong bading pa rin no? Pero you did well. Palakpakan naman po natin. No? So anyway, my dear friends, and why don't you give all yourselves a big round of applause as well for joining us for this wonderful celebrity premiere night of the movie Fatherland. We expect you to share it to your friends and families. And please don't support piracy, okay? Mag-buy po tayo ng ticket sa pelikulang Pilipino.
Siyempre, ganun din po. Gusto ko kayo pasalamatan lahat for taking the time to watch our film. Ganun din po, katulad ng sinabi ng my castmates and the team. Oh, ano ba? Ang hirap ng echo. Maraming salamat, especially kay Sir Ben and of course, Direk Joel Lamangan for bringing this powerhouse cast together, and I'm also extremely honored to have been part of it. Ganun din po katulad ng sinabi ni Ms. Rebecca na anytime Sir Dennis or Direk Joel calls, I'm also there. Congratulations everybody, especially Alan and Inigo. Great job. Maraming salamat guys for being here ulit, and yes, please spread the word. Watch Fatherland.
Thank you for watching Fatherland and supporting Fatherland.
So maraming salamat po sa lahat, and sa aming producer, kay Sir Benji, kay Direk Joel Lamangan, sa lahat ng cast, kay Inigo. Napakagandang pelikula, and sa mga kasama ko po, taga Pampanga nandito, maraming salamat sa support nyo. Sa family ko nandito rin, sa mga press, maraming salamat po.
Ako naman syempre, hirap. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng nandito ngayong gabi. Love this. Salamat. Sa lahat ng family and friends ko. Salamat of course sa producer namin, Sir Benji and Direk Joel. Salamat sa opportunity na binigay niyo para sa akin. At sana hindi po ito ang huli na magkatrabaho po kami lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Una, gusto kong pasalamat sa lahat ng umarte sa pelikula ko. Very good. You're all very good. Thank you so much. Salamat kay Roy Iglesia to come out with a very good script like this. At syempre, malaking pasalamat kay Engineer Ben Austria for making this film for us. Kung wala siya, wala yung pelikula. At salamat sa inyong lahat. Sana ipamalitan nyo sa mga kapitbahay nyo, sa mga kababayan nyo, sa mga kaibigan nyo na panoorin. Tulungan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Kailangan natin ng tulong. Kasi baka isang araw, pag hindi natin tinulungan, mawala na ang ating mga istorya. Iba na ang nagsasalita ng istorya natin. Maaring banyaga na ang nagsasalita ng ating mga istorya na hindi dapat natin payagan. Magagawa natin yan, mapapigilan natin yan kung susuportahan natin ang lahat ng Filipino films na pinapalabas sa ating mga sinihan. Dati masigla ang panonood ng pelikula. Unti-unti nang hindi sumisigla. Tulungan nating sumiglang muli. Marami pong salamat.
Sa inyong lahat, thank you for coming at saka invite niyo yung mga friends ninyo para panoorin itong Fatherland. So thank you sa mga stellar actors and of course our director. So napakahirap ibuo itong istorya na to kasi 3 minute story. So thank you Direk for napakasipag ni Direk kahit mainit, lahat ng ginawa niya. So lahat ng mga stellar actors, they are very good in acting. So sana suportahan natin yung film industry. So maraming salamat.